Wow! South Korea. What an experience. Grabe. International Jamboree. Pero in reality, scourging heat at sunod-sunod heat waves. Cellphones vibrating constantly dahil sa mga emergency alerts. Yung init na nararanasan natin dito sa Pinas, walang-wala sa summer heat ng isang reclaimed land sa Korea. Walang puno, walang masisilungan. Imagine, para makarating kami sa mga activity areas, we had to walk kilometers of muddy lands while enduring the summer heat. Kailangan naming tiisin ang hapde, ang uhaw, ang pagod, yung sikat ng araw para mapunta kami sa mga activity area at habang naglalakbay sa mga mapuputik na kalupaan. Wala rin kaming malinis sa pagkukuhanan ng tubig. Walang sanitary toilets na pwedeng gamitin. Bukod sa init, kalaban din namin yung hygiene. Ilan lamang ito sa mga problema kinaharap namin paglapag pa lang namin ng campsite. Buti na lang, Boy Scouts kami. Boy Scouts, laging handa. Pero ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng laging handa? Let's rethink the ideologies associated with the quotation, laging handa, and why. Why is it connected to being a scout? Taas ko may mga may payong dito. Sino may dalang payong? Ayun no, ang dami rin palang Boy Scout at Girl Scout dito mga laging handa. No? Pero tayong mga Pinoy, it has been embedded in our minds na when someone is prepared for something unusual or an instance, tinatawag nating scouts. Uy, Boy Scout. Pero bakit nga ba ganun? Us, the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, we have the motto, laging handa. And I'm sure you're all familiar with this. Ginagawa pa nga natin yung chant when we were elementary. Okay, sabayan niyo ako. Boy Scouts, laging handa. Pag sinapak, laging? Palpak. Okay. On a serious note, yung motto na laging handa ng Boy Scout of the Philippines actually came from the original English translation na be prepared. So, I know what you're all thinking, mali yung translation. Pero instead of maging handa, the forefathers of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines actually intended na instead na maging handa, gawing laging handa to give this quotation, this motto, a better meaning. In scouting, we are trained and prepared to become a responsible citizen. And as we acquire the skills and knowledge to sa scouting, nakukondisyon kami na maging prepared, hindi lamang para sa sarili namin, ngunit para na rin sa iba. Scouting is a preparation and readiness to serve others, hence the motto, laging handa. So may point naman pala sila kapag sinasabi nilang laging handa o Boy Scout yung isang tao kapag prepared sila. Pero we have to understand that it's not the external aspects that matter. Ang pagiging laging handa is more of a state of mind and heart. It's not all about having some tangible situations that we are prepared for. Yun pala, ang pagiging laging handa is more of a character, a mindset. Now we're always ready to be in service of others. And it actually goes beyond that. Throughout my 25th World Scout Jamboree experience, na-discover ko na may mga bagay pa palang pwedeng pakulugan ng laging handa na motto. And ito yung mga bagay na pwede nating i-apply sa buhay natin. And here are the 3 things. Una, it could mean na ang Boy Scout ay laging handa kung sila ay laging bukas sa karanasan. What do I mean? Ito ay yung pagkatuto sa mga sitwasyon na hindi naman planado, ngunit kailangan gawan ng aksyon. Gaya ng sabi ko, paglapag pa lang namin sa campsite, di mo namin ni-expect na ganun pala kainit doon. Pero as scouts, we have to improvise. So ginawa namin, tumambay kami sa mga bus na pwedeng magpalamig, magpa-aircon. Tapos naligo kami more than usual. Kung may mga nakakilala sa akin dito, you guys know na minsan lang talaga ako maligo sa camping. Okay, hindi talaga ako naligo sa camping. Pero one day sa camp namin, kailangan kong Naligo ako na 3 beses sa isang araw. First time, kahit sa Pilipinas, di ko ginawa yun. Sa sobrang init, kahit gaano kasangsang yung amoy sa mga shower rooms, tinis ko just to fight the summer heat. Anyway, my point is that life often surprises us, and many of these surprises are not in our control. It's during these unpredictable moments that scouts truly shine. Always poised to respond effectively and open to the possibilities that arise. Rather than seeing these twists of fate as an obstacle, they view them as unique opportunities to expand their knowledge and gain fresh experiences. So when life throws a curveball at us, scouts are there to catch it, not as a burden, but as a chance to thrive and create unforgettable memories. Next is laging bukas sa pakikisama. Within our movement, we pride ourselves with a sense of camaraderie that unites us, all scouts around the world. Something we refer to as brotherhood. And this concept embodies the deep understanding that life is not a solitary endeavor. Rather, it's a journey enriched by those people who share it with us. We understand that we cannot live and strive alone. And it is with other people that we could really enjoy the intricacies of life. And this brotherhood also reinforces the importance of teamwork and mutual supports. Scouts learn to rely on one another, developing a sense of accountability and trust. And itong brotherhood na to is not all about friendship. It's about knowing that when you're part of the scouting movement, you are never alone. And this is a safety net during challenging times, a source of encouragement and a reminder to us na kapag nagtulong-tulong tayo, kapag nagsama-sama tayo, we could achieve more together than we ever could alone. Lastly, ang pagiging handa, pwede rin siyang maging meaning ay, ang scout ay laging handang tumawa. One significant situation that made my 25th World Scout Jamboree so significant and challenging, may bagyong paparating sa amin. Imagine, over the days, 3-5 days na kami nandun, tapos little did we know, meron palang bagyong paparating sa amin. Of all the 100 years of history ng World Scouting Jamboree, first time that they had to evacuate all the participants sa campsite dahil tatamaan kami ng bagyo. And despite this, especially us, mga Pinoy na scouts, we find a way na naghanap kami ng mga rason para tumawa, para maging magligaya o ngumiti. Malalaman mo talagang may mga Pinoy scouts kapag may narinig kang nag-aalakakan, mga tumatawa, at mga may ingay doon. Pero on a deeper perspective, bukod sa pagtawa sa mga gantong bagay, it could also mean na ang scout ay laging handang tumawa sa kabila ng kanyang pagkakamali, kasabay ng pangtanggap na tao lang din naman tayo. Hindi perpekto. Maraming instances sa camp namin na nagkamali kami, we committed mistakes, had a different approach, said something differently. Pero we developed a culture na kung saan, kapag nagagawa namin to, we don't take it so seriously. Ginagawa namin itong avenue para matuto kami at magkaroon ng different experiences. And in the context of scouting, where the motto, laging handa, signifies being always prepared, the pursuit of perfection can sometimes be a pressure. But we have to understand that scouting isn't always about perfect execution every time. It's about embracing the journey of growth and learning, which inevitably, makakadaan tayo sa mga pagkakamali sa buhay. Here, the emphasis is not on being infallible, but on understanding that we are indeed only humans. And in essence, scouting teaches us that while we should always strive to be prepared, it's equally important to be prepared for life's inherent imperfections. And there's where our true resilience shines. So as we ponder the profound essence of laging handa in scouting, let us carry forward these three invaluable takeaways. The first is the readiness to embrace life's unexpected experiences. The strength found in unity and camaraderie, and the power of laughter in the face of imperfection. In a world that constantly challenges us to be prepared for the unknown, let our scout spirit serve as a beacon, reminding us that true preparedness goes beyond tangible situations. Together, we can truly embody the spirit of laging handa and make a positive impact in our world and ourselves. So pwede ba tayong tumayo lahat in response to this? Let's stand up and manumpa tayo. Pwede ba? Thank you. Okay. Okay. Do us out. This is what we call scout sign, please. Ayan. 3 fingers up. Ayan. Repeat after me. Sa ngalan ng aking dangal, ay gagawin ko ang aking buong makakaya. Upang pamalagiin na sa lahat ng pagkakataon, ako ay laging bukas sa karanasan, laging bukas sa pakikisama, at laging handang tumawa. Muli, ako si Scout Romar Almogues, laging handa para sa bayan.